Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before we continue, like us to like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at 2023 YCC September Core Mathematics Examination, and at this episode we are going to treat question 26 to 30. And 26 says, one side of a gutter is 15 cm lower than the other side. A plank of wood which is laid across the gutter to form a bridge slopes at an angle of 35 degrees to the horizontal. How wide is the gutter? We have solution. We have a gutter this way. Gutter is always this way. And the question says, one side of the gutter is 15 cm lower than the other side. So let's say here is lower by 15 cm. This place is 15 cm. And it says a plank of wood which is laid across the gutter to form a bridge slope at an angle of 35 degrees. This is a plank that is placed across, and this place is 35 degrees. The question now says, how wide is the gutter? So we are going to find the wideness of the gutter, this place. Let's call it T. We've gotten this place. This place is 15 cm, and here is angle 35 degrees. For us to find here, we can use a trig formula that says tan theta equals to opposite all over adjacent, where theta equals to 35, where we have tan 35 equals to opposite, which is 15, all over adjacent. Our adjacent here is t. So now we cross multiply, and here will come here, and this one will come here. So we have t equals to 15 all over tan 35. So this is the same thing as 15 all over tan 35 is 0.7002. So when we punch our calculator here, we are going to have t equals to 21.4222. We always keep it at 2 places of decimal, so our t equals to 21.42 cm. So this is the width of the gutter, 21.42 cm. So 27, the gradient of the line passing through the point 3, 6 and x 4 is minus 2 all over 5. Find the value of x. So we have solution. The gradient, which is m, equals to change in y-axis all over change in x-axis, which is equals to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, which is equals to the gradient. In this case, we have x1 equals to 3, and we have y1 equals to 6. We have x2 equals to x, and y2 equals to 4. We substitute the whole of this into here. So we have gradient, which is minus 2 all over 5. Minus 2 all over 5 equals to y2, which is 4 minus y1, 6 all over x2, which is x minus our x1, which is 3. So we have this. So this is the same thing as minus 2 all over x minus 3. So it's the same thing as minus 2 all over 5 equals to minus 2 all over x minus 3. So this is the same thing as minus 2 all over 5 equals to minus 2 all over 3 minus 3. We cross multiply, we have minus 2 into x minus 3 equals to 5 times minus 2. This is the same thing as minus 2x plus 6. When we expand this, equals to minus 10. And here, we see that this can move over to this side, and this will move to this side. And we have 6 plus 10 equals to 2x. This is 16 equals to 2x. We divide all through by 2. So 2 cancel here, 2 cancel here, 8, and 2 cancel here, 2 cancel here. And we have 8 equals to x. So our value of x, as we ask, equals to 8. So our x equals to 8. Number 28. If p equals to x is to 1 less than or equals to x, while x is less than or equals to 6, and q equals to x is to 2 less than x while x is less than 9, where x contains real number, find p intersection q. We have solution. We need to list out all the elements in p and list out all the elements in q, and also find p intersection q. So the element in p equals to, here we have x is greater than or equals to 1. That means the x will start from 1 because greater than or equals to 1. And also x, 6 is greater than or equals to x, and 6 is inclusive. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 because 6 is greater than or equals to x. X is less than or equals to 6. So this is what we have the element of p. So in element of q, we have, in this case, we have 2 is less than x, and also x is less than 9. So 9 is not inclusive here. And also 2 here is less than x. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Because here x is less than 9. So 9 is not inclusive. And also x here is greater than 2. That is why 2 is not inclusive. X is greater than 2, but x is less than 9. In this case, x is less than or equals to 6. But this one, x is greater than or equals to 1. That is why 1 and 6 is inclusive, because they are equal to. So here we need to find p intersection q. What it means is the elements that are here and here is what we are going to pick out. So we have 3 here, we have 3 here. So p intersection q equals to 3. We have 4 here, we have 4 here, pick 4. We have 5 here, we have 5 here, we pick 5. We have 6 here, we have 6 here, we pick 6. The element in this set, p intersection q, is 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is the answer. We have 29. A student measures the length of a classroom and obtains 3.99 meters, which is less than the actual length. If the percentage error was 5%, what was the actual length? So you have solution. Percentage error is always the actual measurement minus the measured value all over the actual value times 100 all over 1. So this is the percentage error. So we have the measured value as 3.99 meters, but the actual is what we are asked to find. So now the percentage error here is 5%, and here we have percentage here. This is by 100 and this is also by 100. So it is either we pick one of these or we pick one of these. So when we put this one, we will not pick this one. So when we pick this one, we don't pick this one. So when we pick the 5%, and we have 5 out of 100 equals to the actual value, which is A, minus the measured value, which is 3.99 all over the actual value times 100 is not there again because we pick the percentage from the 5%. So now this will become, we cross multiply, we have 5 times A equals to 100 into A minus 3.99. So this is the same thing as 5A equals to 100 times A minus 399 times 100. So this is the same thing as 5A equals to 100A minus this time this is the same thing as 399. Is the same thing as 5A equals to 100A minus 399. This is the same thing as 399 equals to 100A minus 5A. 399 equals to 95A. Our A here equals to 399 95 equals to 95A all over 95. This will cancel here, this will cancel here one, and this will cancel here, and we have A equals to 4.20 meters. So this is the value of the actual length measured. This is 4.20 meters. So we have 30. Yakubu received 12.5% of the sales made in a certain month. If the amount he received was $35,000, what was the total sale net? So we have solution. Amount received equals to 12.5% of total sale. Amount received is 35,000. So we have $35,000 equals to 12 all over 2 percentage of T. This is the same thing as times T. Times T. So this is the same thing as 35,000 equals to 2 times 12 is 24. 24 plus 1, 25. We have 25 all over 2 divided by 100 times T. So this is the same thing as 35,000 equals to 25 all over 2. This division sign is the same thing as when you put multiplication, it will be 1 all over 100 times T. So this is the same thing as 35,000 equals to 25 all over 2 times 1 all over times T. So we can multiply this. You have 35,000 equals to 25 all over 200 times T. So we cross multiply. We have 200 times 35,000 equals to 25T. This is the same thing as T equals to 200 times 35,000 all over 25. So when you cancel all this, you have our T equals to $280,000. So this is our total sales. So Jacobo make a total sale of $280,000 in that month. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting topics. Thank you.